This video will cover the preparation, operation, and daily maintenance of your Taski Swingo 2100 microwriter. Prior to cleaning with the Taski Swingo 2100, follow these steps to ensure the machine is ready for operation. Note, when handling any cleaning chemicals, be sure to wear appropriate PPE as indicated on the safety data sheet. Start by unplugging the charging cable and storing the cable properly for next use. Next, fill the solution tank with either clean water or end-use cleaning solution, depending on your chemical delivery system. Inspect the squeegee blades for any debris which may hinder cleaning results. Mount the squeegee in place by locking it into the squeegee holder. Connect the suction hose to the squeegee assembly. Mount the pad drivers or brushes by positioning them in front under the lifted brush unit. Finally, adjust the seat position and the height of the steering wheel to your individual needs. To operate the Taski Swingo 2100, turn the machine to the on position by turning the key clockwise. Next, press the brush button to couple the pad drivers or brushes. Press the brush button again to lift the brush unit. Press the program Start/Stop button to activate the machine's last cleaning settings. Turn the lights on and adjust the solution flow to your cleaning needs. Then, activate the vacuum motor. There is an eco mode setting that can be used to reduce the vacuum motor and lower the sound level of the machine. To drive the machine and begin cleaning, slowly press down the drive pedal. Pressing the slow button will reduce the speed of the machine by 50%. To slow down or stop the machine, let off the drive pedal. Pressing the reverse button will enable the machine to drive backwards. For safety, the machine will beep while in reverse. Pressing the reverse button again will put the machine back in forward drive. The emergency stop button will stop and shut down the machine. If the emergency stop button has been depressed, you will need to reset it by turning it clockwise. The horn button can be used to signal your presence to others. Use the offset cleaning button to move the deck into the offset position. This is helpful for edge close cleaning. While the deck is in the offset position, an LED will light up on the dash. Press the button again to return the deck to its original position. The battery indicator lights will be green when the machine has ample power. If a red LED lights up, you will have 10 minutes to return the machine to its charging station. Upon completion of cleaning for the day, follow these steps to ensure your Taski Swingo 2100 is ready for future use. Press the program Start/Stop button to deactivate the current program. The machine will store the previous settings for next use. Next, power the machine off by turning the key counterclockwise. Then drain the recovery and clean solution tanks. Rinse both tanks with clean water when empty. Now, inspect and clean all yellow maintenance points. The Taski yellow maintenance points do not require tools. Remove the float valve from the machine by turning it counterclockwise. Rinse it thoroughly to remove all debris. Once clean, reinstall it on the machine. Remove the large debris filter from the machine. Rinse it thoroughly to remove all debris. Once clean, reinstall the large debris filter. Remove the pads or brushes from the machine. Thoroughly clean and allow the pads or brushes to air dry. Next, remove the squeegee and clean it under running water. Wipe the squeegee with a dry cloth and reinstall it onto the machine. Turn the large debris filter upside down and close the lid. The lid will rest on the large debris filter and not completely close, which will allow for ventilation. Finally, wipe the machine with a damp cloth, then plug in the machine for charging. In order to prolong the life of the batteries, it is important to allow the machine to go through a full charging cycle.